Something a little different this time, so stick around and I'll show you what I did. I've loved photography, images, and the stories they tell since high school. Like most of us, early on I used those inexpensive cameras like the Kodak 110s. And finally, in the mid-1970s, I bought my first 35mm camera. It was this Yashica Electro 35, sort of an entry-level camera, but it took gorgeous photos, and it sort of helped me to really develop my eye and to finally begin to see the world through the lens. And I've owned a series of cameras, the new digitals, from Nikon right up to my current Canon. About 5 years ago, I started getting interested in video and videography. So I bought some GoPros and some Canon video cameras, and I've been sort of just jumping into it ever since. But one of the things I've wanted to do almost from the beginning is to make a video studio where I could set up and film. Now, one of the first things I did was to set up a green screen, and I produced a video on that, and you can see the link to that right up here. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been building this set, been building this studio, and the neat thing about it is I built it right in my garage. So it serves those multiple purposes. I still need to be able to get my cars in here. I still need to be able to pull my cars out of the way so that I can use the set, so I can use the backdrops. But some of the things that I really want to do is to start filming interviews, unboxings, product reviews, and do other types of videos that sort of require a quiet studio setting. So I built this, and what I want to do over the next few minutes is sort of walk you through the process of me building this set. So let's get started. I hope you got something out of this. Sort of to prove that it doesn't take a lot of investment of dollars in order to create something like this. It just takes a little ingenuity, a little bit of time, and maybe a little bit of craftsmanship. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and leave a comment. I really love the comments. I really love knowing how I'm doing. And finally, ring the bell so you get notified the next time I post a video. Thanks for watching.